1. A level PE altitude and heat questions. And answers 100% verified. How does altitude affect oxygen availability during exercise? OE. At higher altitudes, the air contains less oxygen, making it more difficult for the body to obtain sufficient oxygen during exercise. What is acclimatization, and why is it important for athletes training at altitude? OE. Acclimatization is the process by which the body gradually adjusts to lower oxygen levels at altitude, improving oxygen delivery and performance. How does heat affect the body's ability to exercise? Heavy checkmark heat can lead to increased sweating, dehydration, and elevated body temperature, reducing the body's ability to maintain performance and increasing the risk of heat-related illnesses. What physiological changes occur in the body when exposed to high altitude? OE. At high altitudes, the body increases red blood cell production, breathing rate, and heart rate to compensate for the lower oxygen levels. 1/2. 2. What are some symptoms of altitude sickness? Heavy checkmark altitude sickness can cause headaches, nausea, dizziness, and fatigue, and it typically occurs at altitudes above 2,500 meters. Why does dehydration affect performance in hot conditions? OE. Dehydration impairs thermoregulation, decreases blood volume, and reduces the body's ability to transport oxygen and nutrients to muscles, limiting performance. How does the body regulate temperature during exercise in hot environments? OE. The body regulates temperature through sweating, vasodilation, and increased blood flow to the skin to facilitate heat dissipation. What is the role of the cardiovascular system in heat regulation? OE. During exercise and heat, the cardiovascular system works to increase blood flow to the skin, where heat can be released through sweating and evaporation. What are the primary risks associated with exercising at high altitudes? Heavy checkmark. The primary risks include reduced oxygen delivery to muscles, increased fatigue, and an increased risk of altitude sickness. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. 2/2.